Mabuhay from the beautiful city of Manila. I'm back with for the channel Fragheads RX, and today it's really raining hard in Manila, but that won't stop me from making this video. Well, I'm here in my dormitory right now and expect some rooster sounds again and some drilling because there's a construction site right beside this building of mine. So what are we waiting for? Let's go right into the video. So today I'll be unboxing 3 packages right here. 1, 2, and this box right here. So let's now proceed to the unboxing part of this video. The first fragrance we have here is Dior Eau Sauvage right here. Dior Eau Sauvage. Okay, so it's a 5NO4. I don't know if you can see it, guys. There. So which means this was manufactured last 2015, I guess. And we have here the bottle itself. Look at that, guys. Look at this beautiful bottle. There. Dior Eau Sauvage Cologne. Yeah. So that's for the first fragrance that we have here today. Eau Sauvage Cologne. So next package, I'll be opening this one. This package right here. The next fragrance is Acqua di Gio Absolute by Giorgio Armani. Here's the next fragrance. So, yeah. Got this one for a very cheap price. And the last but not the least, we have this package right here. So let's open this one as well. Oh, shit. Okay, guys, there's an accident. Oh, I'm cut. Oh, because of the excitement. Okay, I'm bleeding, guys. I'm bleeding right here. Yeah, there. I'm bleeding. Okay, I'm bleeding, and yeah, because of a fragrance, I'm bleeding. Okay. Hold on, guys. I will just control the bleeding first. Okay, guys, I've already controlled the bleeding and I patched it already. See this, guys? Yeah. So very excited of me to open this package, and I got a wound for it. So next time, guys, be very careful when unboxing a fragrance. And here we go, guys. The last fragrance is Lhomme Ideal EDP. And the batch code is 8F01. So I guess 2018. And here's the bottle, guys. Wow. Very nice bottle. Very elegant bottle design, which is same as the other Lhomme Ideal line. Wow. Smells so good. So stay tuned, guys. I will be having my first impressions with regards to these 3 fragrances. So the first one we'll be smelling is Eau Sauvage Cologne. Here I'll be spraying it here again in my brain paper. There, my brain paper. So guys, let's smell this fragrance. There. Ow. Let it dry first. Okay, so right off the bat, guys, this one opens up with a very fresh citrus fragrance type of vibe, and I was immediately reminded of this fragrance by the same house as well, Dior Homme Cologne. They somehow shares the same fresh citrus opening, which is really refreshing, guys. Very refreshing. I was immediately reminded of this Dior Homme Cologne right here. Okay, now I can see this one perfectly worn in the summer season, and this one is, I can see that this one is a very versatile scent as well. Any age group can wear this one, and this one is a very very casual scent, perfect signature scent. And that's my first impressions with regards to this Dior Homme Cologne. So let's now proceed to the next fragrance, Giorgio Armani's Acqua di Gio Absolute, right here. There, Acqua di Gio Absolute. So I'll be spraying it again here on my brain paper. Let's go. There, very good sprayer. I'm expecting that based from the color of the juice, it will be somehow woody type of scent, and the cap as well, made of wood. So let's see if this fragrance is somehow woody scent. Okay, let's now see the initial spray of this Giorgio Armani's Acqua di Gio Absolute. Okay, so it somehow opens up again with a very fresh vibe. Somehow, I am immediately reminded of Invictus Aqua, or just Invictus. I guess it's Invictus Aqua because this has a fresh opening with somehow saltiness into it, a little bit saltiness, and a little bit sourness as well, maybe because of the patchouli. Yeah, it's patchouli, as said here at the back of the bottle. I have the tester bottle there, patchouli. Yeah, somehow share the same resemblance, same vibe with Invictus Aqua, with its fresh, very fresh opening and a little bit of saltiness into it. Now, it doesn't smell very similar with this one, Acqua di Gio Profumo. This one is a, yeah, very incensey, sour smell. Very far. This Acqua di Gio Absolute smells very different with the Profumo. Yeah, so that's my first impression with this Giorgio Armani's Acqua di Gio Absolute. Yeah, and we'll now go to this next fragrance. This fragrance, I've been dying already to have this one, and luckily I was the first one who messaged the seller and I was able to buy this one. Well, I'm still in Singapore, guys. Yeah, so Lhomme Ideal Eau de Parfum right here. And let's see how this one smells. There. Very good sprayer as well. Very good sprayer. Okay, so for the initial spray of this one, Lhomme Ideal Eau de Parfum. Yeah, it opens up with a very sweet, somehow cherry cola vibe. Cherry tobacco. Not the pure Havan type of vibe, but I can smell some cherry into it. I think it's cherry, the one that's making it sweet. Yeah, cherry and tobacco, this fragrance, but not the same as Thierry Mugler's Pure Havan. Now, this Lhomme Ideal Eau de Parfum smells very different with the original Lhomme Ideal EDT right here. They do not smell the same. This one is more almond, sweet but because of the almond, but this one sweet because of the cherry and tobacco combination. So they smell different. Yeah, this one smells different. I forgot to mention that this one is perfectly worn in the summer as well, in my opinion, and it's a perfect signature scent as well. No age group, very versatile scent, perfect for casual wearing. And this one you can't wear in casual wearing. I can see this one as a perfect date scent, Lhomme Ideal Eau de Parfum. This is perfectly worn in the cooler environment like fall and winter, special occasions, formal occasions. You can wear this one during dates because it somehow produces this very sweet vibe which makes you somehow sweeter. And that's for my initial impression of Lhomme Ideal Eau de Parfum. So that's it, guys. You saw my unboxing and heard my first impressions with regards to these 3 fragrances. Now, what are your thoughts with regard to these 3 fragrances? Do you own them? What fragrances did you recently buy? What are your new fragrances in your collection? Again, leave your comments down below and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Fragrance RX. Again, this is Wedso for the channel Fragrance RX, your fragrance doctor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and stay fragrant! And be careful in opening your packages.